We're going to begin with a guided meditation, the core of which is Swami Vivekananda's meditation on unity. And the core of that is in his 6 lessons on Raja Yoga. So those of you seated in your chairs, sit still with your feet firmly planted on the ground, spine straight, hands held in your lap as Vivekananda's hands are held behind me with palms upturned, right palm resting in your left palm. Let's begin taking 3 deep breaths, breathing in deeply and exhaling completely. Everything we experience is based on the background fact of unity. Unity is within every experience and perception. Everything is a vibration, a wave in the ocean of unity. We can feel this here and now. Try to sit as firm as a rock. Feel nothing can move you. Breathe in, breathe out, mentally repeating, may all beings realize what is good. Hold the head and shoulders and the hips in a straight line, keeping the spinal column free. All action is along it, and it must not be impaired. Feel your body as an instrument rather than an obstacle to meditation. Know it to be pure, perfect, full of light. Mentally scan your body. Begin with your toes and think of each part of your body as pure and perfect, and picture it so in your mind, touching each part if you prefer to do so. Pass upward bit by bit until you reach the head, thinking of each part of the body as perfect, lacking nothing. Scan your body for tension and send the light of awareness there so harmony returns. Feel your body as a harmonious system of energy. Don't superimpose solidity. Concentrate on any bodily sensation as being in the field of energy. Your feet on the floor, your hands touching. Feel those points of contact as weightless, floating. Then think of the whole as perfect, an instrument to enable you to attain the truth, the vessel in which you are to cross the ocean and reach the shores of eternal truth. When this has been done, breathe in deeply and exhale completely. Take 4 such breaths, then breathe naturally. Feel the all-pervading unity in every thought perception and in your awareness of people and things in the room around you. Let every thought be dissolved in the vibratory ocean of unity. Feel how the mind becomes formless, pervading everything. When the mind becomes calm, the mind becomes formless, and we can then feel how the body floats within a sense of unity, within the mind and without. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Peace, peace, peace be unto us all.